Allison with Xcellent Xteriors. We were given the privilege to come out to the RP Funding Center today and do pressure washing at the infinity symbol. The infinity symbol is actually a time capsule that was created by Lakeland High School. It was for the bicentennial and is set to be reopened by the class of 2076.
Hello, my name is Ryan Edrington, and I'm the owner of Xcellent Xteriors. We were given the privilege of soft washing the time capsule for the city of Lakeland. Pressure washing is 4,000 psi. Soft washing is 90 psi. So when we're doing delicate jobs as a time capsule or even your roof, we only want to use soft washing. We never want to use pressure on a structure such as a time capsule or your roof. Soft washing is exactly as it sounds. It's soft washing. We put a cleaner on your roof that kills the mold and mildew, and then we gently rinse it all down. The City of Lakeland trusts us with our soft washing method on the Infinity Time Capsule, so you can be assured that you can trust us as well.